I think bird watching is an excellent hobby to get into if you have the least interest in nature. Birds are colorful, they're interesting, they're intriguing. They do things we can't do, like fly. It's one of the greatest appeals of them. There's a great variety of them to be seen anywhere you go, even in the immediate area. They appeal to the hunter in us. So you can go out and you can hunt without killing, without taking, but just the thrill of seeing something different. You can collect. We all like to collect things, but you can collect without actually taking. You can just keep lists of what you've seen. You can learn more about what's going on in nature, what environmentally is happening.